Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. If this is your first time, you're absolutely welcome. My name is Yemi. I am a Nigerian, a lifestyle blogger, and I make you videos from the United States. If you've not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and leave me a comment for me, and click the like button. It is very important because it helps me out. So today I'm going to show you how I make my yam porridge. I want you to try the recipe out, and if you try my recipe and you like it, send me a feedback. Send me pictures, tag me on my Instagram, tag me on my Facebook. I want to see your meals that you've recreated. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. So let's start making the yam porridge. For the full list of the ingredients and measurements, make sure you check the description below. So this is the yam I'll be using.
The only thing you need for this porridge is the salt. But all this thing is optional to upgrade your food. I have the chicken bouillon seasoning, like 2 spoons in here. I have a teaspoon of pepper soup condiments, spices. You don't have to use this. It's just, it's my new trick, my new secret. I have a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of curry powder, a teaspoon of thyme, dried thyme, 2 teaspoons of crayfish, which is a crayfish that has been blended, and I have half teaspoon of ginger. I've already have the garlic in my fresh pepper, which I've blended.
I am using spinach for my vegetable, and it's optional. I will slice and cut it into pieces. After then, I will wash it, then put it in my pot, and I'll show you my ingredients. And by the way, I have my husband helping me today, so you can see that the yam cutting is done by a male. I have washed the yam that I've cubed. It's all rinsed out, and now it's in my pot. I'm about to take it to the stove. When I get to the stove, I will then cut my plantain in my yams. Ooh, you see, the steps are not that bad. They are so easy once you get all your things together to cook this yam and plantain porridge. Is quite easy. Let's go. So the yam and the plantain is done. I'm going to put my seasoning in it. The oregano, ginger, crayfish, curry, salt, pepper soup condiment, spices. I'm going to put that together. Lately, I found out that my husband loves pepper soup spices, and that's my way of sneaking this pepper soup in it. Plus, it takes your food to another notch. And you see, pepper soup spice is not only healthy, it will take your food up to another notch, and it's healthy. The spice in it, is healthy for you. The nutritional value is nothing that you can talk about. Now I'm going to put the pepper. I showed you the pepper earlier when it was blending. I won't be using everything, but I use part of it. So I'm putting 3 spoons of palm oil into my porridge. It is up to you and to your own taste. So I like mixing my palm oil with my canola oil or corn oil. So we're gonna wait for this to cook together, after which I'm gonna put my vegetable in it. I like my yam softened. I don't like hard yams in my porridge. Let it cook together, so let's wait for it to be done so I can mix it together. I like the mushy part of the porridge, and I like some yams in it too, but I don't like the yams hard. So behind the camera, I added more liquid to my cooking.
I have my vegetable and spinach already rinsed out and chopped. I put some onion and a little bit of pepper in it just for decoration and presentation. So I'm going to put my vegetable in my porridge. This is optional. This is how we like it in my family. You don't have to put vegetable or spinach in it. This is how we like it. Some other people, they just make sauce like a stew and put it on it. It's all good. I'm going to fold this into the porridge and let it cook for 5 minutes. I don't want the vegetable to turn yellow. I just want it to cook a little bit. Al dente. You see inside my spinach, I chopped some onion and some bell pepper just to give it color and to make it beautiful. This is optional. Like I said, the only thing you need here is your palm oil, your pepper, and your salt, and you're good to go. Voila! Capiche! Plantain porridge is done. Plantain and yam porridge is finished. 1, 2, 3, 4. I said, get your ingredient ready and we are ready to cook this. It's not hard. It's very simple. Oh wow! I have completed this asaro elememeje. That's a Yoruba one. My yam and plantain porridge I have completed, and I really hope you guys enjoy. And if you've enjoyed this and you stay with me so far, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. Don't forget to try this creation and send me a picture of what you've done with it. I love you as always. God bless you. Choose to be happy.